Okay, so I bought both these bikes within the last 2 or 3 months, not even 2 months, I'd say. One was from Walmart, one was from Amazon. Same exact bikes, EB5 Plus. This one, the motor stopped working yesterday, and less than 100 miles, 95 miles on it. Still plenty of battery, and I got it to start moving freely again, but listen how loud it is compared to the other one. I'll lift this up. And listen, you can literally hear it coming down the street. And that's not a brake, that's not tire rubbing, that's something in the motor. Now, here's the other one with only 49 miles on it, which sounds a lot better, like how it should be. No noise. All you hear is bike tire. Look at that one. It's how it's supposed to be. This one, with what I assume is a bad motor, has got sounds like a motorbike going down the street. Oh, it's even going in and out. Uh, oh, something's fucked up in there.